Rough snow-covered roads can result in unstable driving conditions, roads like the ones we just showed you. We talked to AAA and others today, getting valuable tips on how to be best prepared. Jet 24's Julia Hazel joins us now in the studio. Julia?
On snowy days like today, having the right safety items in your car is a good idea when you're traveling. You never know what can happen. Having a winter survival kit in your car can come in handy in a snowstorm. One local resident explains how it's hard if you don't prepare ahead of time.
Honestly, it was really unexpected. I really thought that it wasn't going to stick like this.
Which is why having a few things in your car to help in case of an accident is important.
A very small shovel if you have to dig out, de-icer instead of standard windshield wiper fluid. Once it gets down below 7 degrees, when you're driving fast, the blue stuff will freeze in your car and then you can't spray your windshield.
A spokesperson for AAA, Jim Garrity, offered some other tips on things to keep in your car this time of year.
So that comes down to blankets, bottles of water, non-perishable food items, cell phone charger can come in handy. Bags of cat litter or sand, not a joke. It actually, that's something you can put under your tires to give it some traction.
Having a winter survival kit in your car can help you stay safe and be able to survive in dangerous weather situations. If you want to keep safe in these snowy conditions, you can get yourself a roadside assistance kit that includes almost everything you need in a situation of an emergency.
Okay, thank you, Julia.